Introduction to digital marketing. Explain the basics of digital marketing, including the different channels and tactics that businesses use to reach their target audience online. Social media marketing. Discuss the importance of social media for businesses, how to create engaging content, and tips for growing your followers. Search engine optimization. SEO. Explain the basics of SEO, including keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Email marketing. Discuss the benefits of email marketing, how to build an email list, and tips for crafting effective emails. Content marketing. Explain the importance of creating high-quality content, how to develop a content strategy, and tips for promoting your content. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Discuss the basics of PPC advertising, including how to set up campaigns, choose keywords, and track performance. Influencer marketing. Explain what influencer marketing is, how to find influencers in your industry, and tips for creating successful campaigns. Video marketing. Discuss the benefits of video marketing, how to create engaging videos, and tips for promoting your videos on social media and other platforms. Analytics and reporting. Explain the importance of tracking your digital marketing efforts, how to set up analytics tools, and tips for analyzing your data. Digital marketing trends. Discuss the latest trends in digital marketing, including new channels, tactics, and technologies, and offer insights on how businesses can stay ahead of the curve. These topics should provide a good starting point for creating digital marketing content for beginners.